Have you ever wondered how chains are made? It's a question that might have crossed your mind, but have you ever truly pondered it? Chains, as commonplace as they are, have a fascinating birth story. They begin their life in a factory as raw metal waiting to be transformed into something more purposeful. Imagine the journey from unassuming metal to a chain, strong and reliable. Chains are everywhere, invisibly weaving themselves into the fabric of our lives. They hold together our bicycles, secure our homes, and even adorn our bodies as jewelry. They are a testimony to human ingenuity, a perfect blend of form and function. The process of chain creation is a blend of art and science, a dance of machines and metal. It's a process that requires precision, skill, and a touch of magic. Intrigued yet? Good, because you're in for a treat. Stick around as we delve deeper into the fascinating process of chain creation. Every chain starts its journey as a coil of wire. A simple beginning, wouldn't you agree? But like all great things, the majesty lies in the transformation. This coil of wire, strong and unyielding, is fed into a machine, a mechanical marvel that does the first job in our chain-making process. It sizes up the wire, assessing its thickness and strength before cutting it into our desired lengths. These lengths, now individual pieces, are the building blocks of our chain. Next, these freshly cut pieces enter another machine. Here, they are bent and twisted, manipulated into a new form. This machine is a sculptor, and the wire its clay. It bends each piece into a loop, the first form of a link. But a link on its own doesn't make a chain, does it? This is where the magic begins. The loops are transported to another part of the factory, where they are introduced to their companions. Here they are interlinked, one loop slipping into another, creating a series of connected loops. This is the heart of the process, the moment when our individual links start to become something greater. Yet it's not enough to simply link them together. We need to ensure they stay that way, so they are sent to another machine where each link is welded shut. The power of this process is immense, the heat intense, but the result is worth it. The links are now inseparable, bound together to form a chain. This process, this birth of a chain, is a dance between man and machine, a symphony of precision and strength. It is from this dance that the chain in its most basic form is born. So now we have a chain, but it's not ready yet. There's more to it. This is just the beginning of the journey. The chain, as we know it, is taking shape, but it has yet to reach its final form. Stay tuned, because the real magic is just about to start. Just when you thought it was all over, here comes the crucial final step. This is the part where our chain-to-be undergoes a transformation. It's like the makeover scene in those movies, except this is real and incredibly important. The chain in its raw form can be too soft or susceptible to rust. So to ramp up its durability and resistance, it goes through three key processes: hardening, tempering, and galvanizing. First off, hardening. This process involves heating the chain to a high temperature and then rapidly cooling it down. This sudden temperature shift alters the metal's microstructure, resulting in a much harder and stronger chain. Next up, tempering. Now, while hardening does make the chain stronger, it can also make it a bit too brittle. We don't want our chain snapping under pressure, do we? That's where tempering comes in. It's a heat treatment process that slightly softens the hardened chain, striking a balance between hardness and flexibility. Finally, we have galvanizing. You see, iron or steel chains are prone to rust when exposed to moisture. Galvanizing coats the chain with a layer of zinc, which serves as a protective shield against rust. And there you have it, a finished chain ready to take on the world. Each link, each curve, each tiny detail, a testament to the complex process behind its creation. So next time you see a chain, remember the magic behind it. It's more than just metal, it's science, it's art, it's craftsmanship. So there you go, the journey of a humble coil of wire to a sturdy chain. We've seen it all, from the initial casting and coiling to the intricate linking and welding, and finally, the meticulous finishing touches. It's a fascinating process, isn't it? It's incredible how something so everyday comes to life through such an intricate process. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video informative. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you.